Hello, good afternoon. My name is Joshua Barrientos. Now I'm presenting this. How is data sent? How is data sent? An overview of digital communications. So, next slide. Overview of digital communication. So, diretso explain na ako agad. So, sa first bullet, digital data is like mga zeros, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 ay nag-i-store via memory and tina-transfer ito through channels like wires, optical fibers, or wireless signals. Meron tayo dito 4 main blocks which is source coding, channel coding, modulation, and transmission channels. Next slide. Signal waveforms in channels. So, baseband signals are low frequency, slowly varying waveforms. Next bullet is passband signals are sinusoidal at carrier frequency representing data as oscillations at specific frequencies. So, example for all of this is voice signals. Voice signals are smooth and low frequency, while modulated signals are oscillations at carrier frequency. So, sorry. Next slide. Modulation process converts digital data, zeros and ones, like as I said, into waveforms suitable for transmissions. So, kino-convert yung digital data into waveforms para maging compatible sa transmissions. So, next is types of modulation techniques. Amplitude modulation. So, amplitude modulation, example of that is amplitude of carrier waves. Yan. Basta yun. On and off keying. On and off keying turns laser or light source on and off to represent beats and use it in optical fibers. Phase shift keying or PSK encodes data by shifting the phase of the wave. Next slide. Transmission methods. Wired is for more stable connection. Next is optical fiber. So, optical fiber use laser to turn signals into light bursts. Next is wireless. Wireless like radio that use antenna and it amplify to electromagnetic waves. So, like mga radios nyo. Ganon. So, next slide. Channel coding, error correction. Adds redundancy to detect and correct errors at the receiver. Next is detects errors when the parity condition is violated, correcting single errors. Example for all of this is parity check coding. For rate parity. Adds extra bits to ensure an even number of ones. So, next slide. Source coding data compression. Removes redundant information to reduce data size without losing information. Next, uses fewer bits to represent the same data, making transmission more efficient. So, example for all of this is run length encoding compresses long run for same color in images. So, Thank you very much and see you next week.